I'm in the mall right now. Have it in my pocket. I have it in my pocket.
Thanks.
And it's we're having lightning storm. Yes. Alexa, just starting the show. If you're wondering why my voice is weird, it's because I'm having a piece of gum in my neck. Those guys were just making fun of me. Dang it! Where is it? Tell me if you just saw that. Yes! 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 Oh. I should get home. Shoot. Hashtag save me.